Welcome to yet another episode on career growth. Today, I'm going to talk about the aspects while choosing a college. A lot of times, for the past so many years, at various seminars or in the counseling session, parents, students have always hounded me with one question. Madam, top college bataiye. Best institute bataiye. Be it engineering, be it pharmacy, be it designing, be it economics, anything, be it in India or abroad. सबको top colleges में जाना होता है. Everybody aspires for it. Well, nothing wrong in it. But while choosing a college, students and parents need to keep certain factors in mind. And those are very, very important to make a good decision. Some of them, like the first and the foremost, will be something like recognition. You need to see whether your college as well as the course is recognized by a regulatory body, whichever body is governing that kind of course. You need to know that very, very well. With that, cost factor भी बहुत मायने रखता है. You need to know the costs involved very clearly because it's a competitive world. Each and every course comes with a price. So you need to know that. With that, also you need to know the location of the college. Instead of spending a few hours in traveling, you need to know which is the best college in your vicinity. If it is under the same university, it frankly doesn't matter. But yes, the location matters. For certain courses, you need to go sometimes out of your city, out of your state. ये जानकारी आपको पहले से ही लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि जब आप कहीं आपके सिटी या आपके स्टेट के बाहर जाते हो तो आपको हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज, ट्रैवलिंग टाइम सब कंसिडर करना पड़ता है. With that, you also need to know the faculty base. With the faculty base, you'll need to consider also the various activities involved in the college. Be it cultural activity, social activity, dance, drama. It could be anything and everything that will help you as a student to get into the corporate world at the earliest. It could be something like internships also or something like industry student academia interlinkage. ये सब देखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. ज़्यादातर students and parents बात करते हैं, मैम placement कैसी है? Well, placement is one of the factor, but not the only factor to be considered. But quite a number of times the students and parents tell us, ma'am, हमको तो top institute चाहिए, मगर पता नहीं whether will I get the college of my choice. Well, ये एक important consideration है. But when you are thinking about a college choice, you do have a choice provided you have studied the college and the course very well. In the sense, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए last year के cutoffs क्या है. All the while, what are the different things the college is associated with, you need to know. With the internet, with the kind of online community which you have, you can always you can always read those experiences and create an image about the college. Of course, you also have the offline field wherein there are seniors in the college who can guide you every now and then. तो सिर्फ जब हम college की बात करते हैं, it is not about one or two parameters, a whole set of parameters. With that, you need to also see a little amount of infrastructure. Not only the college canteen or the mess that is there, but also the laboratory or the library and all the other facilities, maybe a Wi-Fi facility or something which is state-of-art facilities also that are available in the college. With all this, when it comes to infrastructure, it comes about the faculty base, you also need to understand whether there are any financial aid or scholarships given by the college. Yes, there are educational institutes which definitely give a support to the deserving students. तो ये भी आप ज़रूर देखिएगा कि कोई scholarship या financial facility वहाँ पर available है क्या. It has to be with various cultural backgrounds. Also a good mix of girls and boys along with students coming from different economical strata too. All this play a very big role while selecting a college. A lot of times students just concentrate on the canteen facilities, but you need to go beyond canteen facilities. It is something which is for your future growth. And hence college choose करते वक्त सिर्फ एक या दो पैरामीटर पर ध्यान न रखते हुए सब पर ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Just sticking to I always wanted to go to A college or this is the top college, so my career will be there. If I don't get into this college, what will happen to me? Do not have those kind of anxieties. Have a very, very practical view while selecting a college क्योंकि college जो भी हो आपका recognition part और आप क्या और कैसे सीख रहे हो ये बहुत मायने रखता है. So while selecting a college, keep all these factors into mind. And yes, do not forget there can be different admission criteria about a college. So You need to know which subjects you have taken. Also, remember some in universities और कोई college में शायद entrance exam हो, शायद कोई selection process हो, तो इसकी जानकारी पहले ही ले लीजिएगा. And then, of course, with the set of documents which are required, please be prepared because each university's need or the college requirements might be different, more or less would be different. So keep that in mind while selecting a college. Do not make it a last minute decision or I did not have any choice. You have a choice, but provided you are ready to take through a step-by-step process and select it in a more objective manner than in an emotional manner. I hope these tips will be definitely helpful for you while selecting a college. So keep us watching and subscribe to our own channel, that is Career Growth, and we would more than be happy to be with you anytime and always. Thank you so much.